Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can install and set up VLC Media Player on your Windows 11 operating system. So let's get started and let's see how we can do it. So first of all, open your favorite browser and search for VLC Media Player, and the first link which will appear here will be from videoland.org/VLC. So we are going to click on this link, which will redirect us to this web page. Straight away, you will see this download VLC button here, and when you click on this drop down menu, you can also see various different options here. So here we are going to click on Windows 64-bit option, and then we are going to click on consent here, and hopefully it's going to start the download of this VLC Media Player exe file. So here I'm going to select the download folder and then click on save, which is going to start the download of this VLC 3.0.21, which is the version at the time of making this video, .exe file. Once this file is downloaded, I'm going to click on this exe file, and let me minimize the browser here, which is going to start the installation wizard. So first of all, you're going to see this kind of message which says, do you want to allow this app to make changes on your device? I'm going to click on yes here, and then you can see this installer has been started. So here I'm going to leave this language as English, but if you want, you can choose any of these languages and then click on OK here. And then we have the welcome window. So here I'm going to click on next and then just agree with the license terms and conditions and then click on next. And then on the next page, you can see the license terms and conditions. So just click on next here, and then you have the choose components. I'm going to choose all these components. So basically all these components are selected, so I'm going to leave everything as default. You can also see the space required here. In my case, it's 182 megabyte. So I'm okay with all these settings, so just leave everything as default and then click on next. And then this will be the location where VLC Media Player will be installed on your Windows operating system. So if you are okay with the location, just leave it as default. If you want to change the location, click on browse button and then select the location where you want to save the VLC Media Player. Once you are done with the location, click on install button, which is going to start the installation of this VLC Media Player. At this point, you just need to wait for this progress bar to reach to the 100% mark. So now after a few seconds, this installation has been finished, and just leave this checkbox as checked, which is going to start the VLC Media Player as soon as you click on the finish button. So I'm going to click on the finish button here, which is going to launch VLC Media Player. Also, I can see this VLC Media Player icon on my desktop, and when I search for VLC Media Player, I will be able to search for this app in the search bar also. So when this VLC Media Player starts for the first time, it's going to show you this kind of privacy and network access policy window. Just click on continue here, and then you can see VLC Media Player has been started. Now, in order to run any media files, you can click on media and then click on open file. And let's say I want to play a video file here. So I'm going to just go to the location where my video file is located. So this is the test file which I want to play in VLC Media Player. I'm going to click on open, which is going to start this video inside VLC Media Player. So this is how you can install VLC Media Player on your Windows operating system. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.